In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sew a side pocket and a stylish Chinese neckline for your kameez, both in a very easy and beginner-friendly way. If you want to follow along easily, I have sewing patterns available on my Etsy shop. You can download them from the link given in the description box below. Now let's attach the pocket to our kameez. First, take one pocket piece and place it with the right side facing you. The kameez should also have its right side facing up. On your sewing pattern, there is a marking or annotation given for pocket placement. Use that as a guide. Place the pocket on the kameez exactly on the top of the guideline. Usually it's 1 inch below the hip line or as mentioned in your pattern. Mark the placement on your fabric. Now place one pocket piece here. We need two pocket pieces in total. Start sewing around the pocket in a U shape or rectangular. Once sewn, notch the curves slightly for a smooth finish. Then flip the pocket towards the outside or wrong side of the kameez. Now give a neat top stitch on the edge to secure the pocket and give it a clean look. Flip the stitched pocket piece towards you. Now place the second pocket piece on top of the first one with right sides facing each other. Align them properly matching the shape. Now sew all around the pocket shape, leaving the pocket opening area unstitched. Once done, flip the pocket to the right side. Push the entire pocket piece towards the inside. Now place the kameez right sides together. Sew the side seam with a half-inch seam allowance. When you reach the pocket area, sew around the pocket shape carefully, but remember not to sew over the pocket opening. I'm gonna sew the side seams after finishing my neckline and attaching the sleeves. First, take a fabric strip measuring 1.5 inches wide. This is a double folded strip. The total length I am using here is around 40 inches. Make sure the strip is cut neatly and press it well. Inside this strip, I am sticking canvas tape for extra stiffness and neatness. On top of this strip, you can sew lace or any decorative element. Here I am using lace to enhance the look. Now I didn't have a single long strip, so I am joining another piece of fabric to make it longer. Always join neatly and press the joint well. Once the strip is ready, mark the center point of the strip. From this center, measure and mark 3 inches on both sides, left and right. Fold the strip at this 3 inches marks to create that signature Chinese neckline look. Now let's mark the neckline on our kameez. From the shoulder, mark 3 inches for shoulder width. Mark 7 inches down for the V neck length. Then from the shoulder line, mark 15.5 inches downward for total neckline length. At this 15.5 inch point, mark a width of 1.15 inches. Now connect these marks, shaping them neatly into a V and then slight rectangle at the bottom. Don't forget to leave seam allowance while cutting. Once marked, cut the neckline accordingly. To secure the neckline and avoid stretching, attach a small canvas piece at the end and don't forget to leave seam allowance while cutting. Once marked, cut the neckline accordingly. Cut a small inverted V shape at the bottom center of the neckline to help it sit flat. Now join the shoulder seams of the kameez. Mark the center point of the back neckline. Start attaching the prepared strip from this back center point. First sew towards the left side, then from the center to the right side. Leave the lower ends of the strip hanging. Fold this lower strip ends neatly to the inside, tuck them in and top stitch them down for a clean finish. Now top stitch the middle part of the neckline by overlapping the neckline and I am leaving 7 inches opening here. And that's it. Attach the sleeves, sew the sides and hem the bottoms and side slits. Our pocket is neatly attached and the Chinese neckline is beautifully finished. Hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. Make sure to check out the sewing pattern link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. See you in the next video.